Hello and good morning, kids. How are you all? I hope that you all are doing good. Children, today I will tell you a story. Do you like to hear a story?
Yes!
Very good. Very good. It's good to hear a story, and I knew it because children love to listen a story. Kids, today I will tell you a story of Hansel and Gretel, and I know that you all are going to enjoy it. Once upon a time, there were two children, and the name of the boy was Hansel, and the girl name was Gretel. They lived with their father. He is a father, and the father was poor woodcutter. One another person was there, and she was their aunt. But do you know, children, aunt was very cruel. She gets angry every time, and she doesn't want to keep both the child with her. So one day she decided to leave them in a forest. Children, I want to ask you, how many of you have seen big forest? Tell me. Some of you are saying no. Don't worry, children. I'll show you a picture of deep forest. Now, children, this is a picture of forest. Both the children, Hansel and Gretel, were roaming around in the forest, but they couldn't find their way to home. They lost their home and the way of their home. Both the children were hungry and very tired, but they didn't have anything to eat, anything to drink. And then suddenly they saw a hut. Here it is. It is a hut. And both the children went inside the hut, and there they got. Can you tell me what did they get? They got some bread, some cookies, and some chocolate. And now both the children were there lived a wicked witch in that hut. See the face of this witch. Witch means Joel. She lived in this hut. She saw both the children, and she caught them and locked them in a big cage. The witch was very hungry and she wanted to eat something. And when she saw both the children, she decided to eat them up. And then he burned the fire. Can you see the fire? Yeah, it's a very big fire. And children, the witch wanted to roast them in the fire. Both the children got scared of her, and she thought, what will happen? Who will save us? But do you know, children, what is the quality of these two children? They both were very smart and they used their brain and they planned something. What did they plan? I will tell you. As I've told you, children, that the witch has burned the fire and she wanted to roast them. But Hansel and Gretel has decided to push that witch in the fire. And do you know what happened? The witch was roasted in the fire, and both the children are free now. And do you know, children, what did they do? They took all the treasure of that wicked witch and they went to then they met with their father. Father was very happy to see his kids, and the children were also very happy. And now they started to live happily. Children, I want to tell you who has helped them to reach their home. There was a bird. The bird has helped them to reach their home. Children, I hope that you all have enjoyed this story. I want to tell you the moral of the story, children, that we should never give up. Any problems will come, but we should never ever give up. We should use our brain. We should use our idea. Children, I hope now you all will try to tell the story to your mummy and your papa and rest of the family members. Bye bye, children. Take care.